Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete an InfinityFree account. This is InfinityFree.com website, and first I will log in to the account I want to delete by filling my email address and password. Click on sign in. Now, before deleting your account, I recommend you to check your profile. Click on this logout other devices to make sure that no other device have your account opened. After that, go to accounts, click on the web hosting account you want to delete, and click on this account settings. Scroll down to deactivate account, and as you can see, a deactivated account will be fully deleted after some time, typically 20-60 days. Until the account is deleted, you can reactivate it to restore it as it was. If the account is deleted, all data will be permanently erased. Click on this deactivate account button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Infinity Free online course today for free. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Infinity Free, how to manage your website inside this free hosting, also how to manage your domain and SSL certificate, file management and FTP, how to manage your WordPress website in Infinity Free, and also advanced configurations like these ones. To get all of this for free today, plus these courses, and also the upcoming free courses on my university, all you need to do is to visit university-bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Confirm your deletion, and just like that, your account now is deactivated. After 20-60 days, it will be fully deleted from Infinity Free. And this is how to delete an Infinity Free account. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.